Our experience with the Northwest Roof Maintenance has been pretty solid. Quick, good communication. They get guys out here pretty fast, and great work, good quality, and great people.
I think I was thrilled by the fact that from the point where the estimate was given and the work was completed, it was a relatively short period of time and easier than getting an appointment with a doctor.
Yeah. Well, you guys do a great job. You guys work hard out here and have good guys out here doing the work, and looks like they've done a great job.
Well, I've been using Northwest Roof Maintenance for a number of years, and I've had a great experience. Every time I call, I get prompt responses from the back office personnel, the appraisers, and the workers, and they've, shown up for the job sites promptly. All the work's been done, and to my satisfaction, and they explain every step of what they're doing. So I've been very pleased over the years.